What's going on, guys? Today I have another Air Force One for you, and it is the Air Force One Crater Flyknit, and this one is part of the Next Nature pack. As you can see, it does come with the Move to Zero box, and here are the sneakers themselves. I mean, I like it. You know, I like the whole design, the idea of the full Flyknit upper Air Force Ones, and this also means that it will never get creased, which I'm sure you guys know how quickly an Air Force One can get creased. It's just, but yeah, I mean, in hand, it is very, very light, extremely light, in fact, and it's just the whole patterns that I don't know. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of the midsole and the outsole. The colors. I think they should have sort of kept the whole white theme going with on the midsole and outsole as well. And the swoosh, man. Why couldn't they get a normal swoosh? Even if it was made out of like Flyknit material, but it should have been just a full swoosh stitched on. I'm not a fan of this half piece. I don't like it. Now the insole, I believe you can't take out. It is sort of stuck in, but there is this design printed on the insole, sort of like a lizard. The lizard tongue is like a swoosh. Yeah, I don't know what that's all about. And believe it or not, the only leather part of this sneaker, from what I can see, is around the lacing system. Anyways, guys, that's it. Let's carry on with the on-feet. Now, on-feet, these are fantastic. They're very comfortable. They're very stylish. I love the color. I love how they look. Like I said earlier, I'm just not a fan. I mean, I'm not a fan of this sort of like the dotted patterns or this sort of like small detail that you can see around the shoes. Like a plain Flyknit material, a plain white upper would be fantastic. I mean, I really would love to see that. And they are very, very light as well on feet and in hand. Like I mentioned before, I picked up the box. It just felt paper light, and I think these are fantastic for the summer because they are Flyknit. They are very breathable. It just feels fantastic on your feet. I mean, you can't go wrong with them. I believe they have another colorway, which is the black one. But well, me personally, I'll definitely go for the white ones. It's the white ones over everything, man. Like Air Force Ones. Now, as for the Crease Test, I'm sure you guys can imagine that these will not get creased at all, so you're perfectly safe with them. But you gotta make sure you keep them clean. I'm telling you, if you guys get them dirty, you are going to be because it's not going to be easy to clean them because of the fabrics. They may get stained. I just can't imagine, man. I'd rather them creasing than having permanent stains on them, because there is a way to get rid of creases, but stains, like some stains you can't get rid of. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's it with these sneakers. If you have any questions, let me know below, and I will see you guys on the next one.